Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A boy played the drum near the pond. Dolphin and ducks heard the joyful sound. All were happy together. Music brings smile.
Let's meet with new sounds.
D, d, d.
Let's do actions with me.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lot of fun. With the see me play upon my drum.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Dolphin, duck, drum. D, d, dolphin. D, d, duck. D, d, drum. Dear kids, what do you know about ducks? How do they look like? Where do they live?
see you in the next lesson.